Mori House, nestled on the coastal slopes of Mount Martha in Victoria, stands as a testament to the fusion of architectural philosophies and personal narratives. Designed by Portuguese architect Manuel Aires Mateus, in collaboration with Melbourne-based MA+Co and Neometro, this residence embodies a deep sense of place, while also challenging conventional domestic design. For Jeff Proven, director of Neometro, and his wife Mariko Mori Proven, the house is more than just a structure. It's a living, breathing space that reflects their shared passions and life experiences. Inside, Mori House offers a series of spaces that vary in scale and intimacy. A tatami room, communal areas, and bedrooms form the heart of the home, while two self-contained guest suites sit slightly apart, mirroring the main house's geometry. Despite the size of the building, there is a sense of intimacy and protection within each zone, a direct result of Aires Mateus' careful consideration of space and light. The house, while large, never feels overbearing, thanks to the thoughtful interplay between its elements. The journey toward the creation of Mori House began serendipitously. Having long admired the work of Aires Mateus, the Provens reached out to him to collaborate on their dream home. After an initial period of silence, their determination led them to Lisbon, where, on their last night in the city, a brief phone call sparked a creative partnership. In a fateful twist, the couple found themselves sitting across from Aires Mateus, who had quickly grasped their vision. This first meeting laid the groundwork for a unique collaboration, one built on mutual respect and an adventurous approach to design. The Provens' brief to Aires Mateus was not typical. It went beyond the technicalities of site conditions and spatial requirements, diving deep into the philosophical aspects of living. The couple expressed a desire to challenge traditional ideas of domesticity, asking for a home that would accommodate various modes of living. Their love for the sea, bicycles, books, and art, especially the works of Carlos Scarpa, Tadao Ando, and Luis Barragan, further shaped their vision. For Aires Mateus, this was not merely a request for a house, but an invitation to craft a space that transcended the mundane and embraced the essence of life itself. The serendipity continued as the Provens and Aires Mateus crossed paths unexpectedly in Porto shortly after their initial meeting. This sense of fate followed them throughout the project. Before construction began, Aires Mateus spent time with the couple at their previous beach house in Mount Martha, observing the landscape and allowing the site to inform his design. His mornings were spent sketching and watching the sun rise over the ocean, fully immersing himself in the environment. This patient, thoughtful approach was reflected in every aspect of Mori House, which evolved through collaboration and trust. Mori House itself is a concrete form, shaped by a series of pavilions that wrap around courtyards, each offering its own unique environment. The design features elements like a pool, garden, olive grove, and even a chicken run, all integrated seamlessly into the landscape. Deep eaves provide shelter, while a concrete staircase leads to a rooftop belvedere, offering sweeping views of the ocean. The architectural language of the house draws from both Portuguese and Japanese sensibilities, with subtle references to ancient Roman architecture, creating a timeless yet modern sanctuary. The collaborative spirit behind the project extended to the construction process, where Karen Alcock and Rachel McNally of MA+Co played key roles. They developed Aires Mateus sketches, working closely with him to refine the design while maintaining the universal architectural language that united the project. Alcock reflects on this process as one that embraced both the bold physicality of Aires Mateus' vision and the delicate nuances of Mariko's influence, creating a balanced, harmonious structure. Ultimately, Mori House is more than just an architectural achievement. It's a reflection of the lives, interests, and passions of those who inhabit it. It stands as a living embodiment of the philosophy that architecture is an incomplete art, only finished by the life that fills it. Through its design, it challenges traditional notions of home, offering a space that invites exploration, reflection, and a deep connection to the natural world that surrounds it.